Looking for a smoother, richer cold brew without the harsh bitterness? Toddy replacement filters are designed just for that. These filters capture every natural, delicious note from your coffee or tea while filtering out the bitter acids and oils that often spoil the taste. If you want your cold brew to taste clean and full-bodied, Toddy filters are the secret ingredient you need. I've trusted Toddy filters for over 30 years, and here's what I've learned. The genuine Toddy filter fits perfectly and consistently delivers the smoothest brew. While there are knockoff options out there, they usually don't match the quality and durability of the originals. I don't even refrigerate my filters. I simply rinse them, boil them occasionally when the flow slows, dry them out, and store them until the next use. This routine keeps them performing at their best for up to 10 to 12 uses or about 3 months. What sets Toddy filters apart is their reusable design, which not only saves you money over time but also pairs perfectly with the new Toddy paper filters to extend their life even further. Each pack comes with 2 reusable filters, so you're always ready to brew. If you're serious about cold brew, investing in genuine Toddy replacement filters means you get a consistently smooth, balanced cup every time. If you're ready to elevate your cold brew game, consider swapping out your old filters for genuine Toddy replacements. They're worth a look if you want to enjoy cleaner, richer coffee or tea without the bitterness. Try them when you're ready, and taste the difference that quality filtration makes.